The challenges that DataVision Plus is going to help are in the entire, what I call the data lineage. Basically, from the start of the data, where the data sources are there, you extract data out of the data sources, you bring them into a structured environment like a database, and these databases can be of different types. They can have different dimensional data, your type 1s, type 2, type 3, type 4. And then from there, they are typically taken into a data mart where you may have pre-aggregated data sets, which can then be connected to a reporting or visualization tool to actually make sense by giving you charts, graphs, actual reports that come out of this. So this huge, this entire sort of value chain or lineage of data, DataVision Plus can actually handle the testing and automate the testing at each stage. So I'd say that the first stage is going to be a data warehouse testing, where you're connecting to a source of data, to a target, and validate that all the data was actually moved or transformed the way it's supposed to be. And then the ETL piece, where you need to apply business logic to convert the data from one type of data to another type of data. It could be a simple thing like you may have in the source, you may have 5 digits after the decimal. In your target, it may be 2 digits or maybe none. So that simple transformation to really complex transformations can be handled. In your source, you can have multiple tables that feed into a single table in your target. So that can also be handled through DataVision Plus. And then, of course, that's sort of the ETL piece, where you actually have to apply some kind of logic to convert your data from source to target. And DataVision Plus can automate that testing as well. Then the final piece is obviously the reporting. And DataVision Plus can help you by essentially connecting to your reports. If it's something like Crystal reports, you can connect through an ODBC or JDBC driver. You can connect to the reports and be able to validate the reports. Or you can even connect through some of these web services. Some of these reporting tools can actually expose their APIs. And these APIs, DataVision can connect to these APIs, extract the data, and sometimes even the logic, and be able to test that as well.